What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Spotify song as your alarm. So currently we're here on our Android device and we're on the clock app. So right here on the clock app and we have some unscheduled alarms. I'm going to choose the first one that is not scheduled at 13:30, the first one. Tap on it and you can see the alarm name. We could change that. Then you have the sound. We're going to tap on the sound and there are some options here. We're looking for the option to add a Spotify song. At the top, just underneath the alarm sound title, you can see sounds, which is where it's currently at. You can also see YouTube Music and then Spotify. We've chosen Spotify and then we have the options to choose from. So go ahead and choose the option you'd like from Spotify. I'm going to choose this one. And then we've chosen this one, then we're going to go back, and there you can see the sound we've selected. Go ahead and tap and save, and when the time comes, you will hear the sound which you chose to use as your Spotify song. So this is how to use Spotify song as your alarm.